Hi, I'm Shauna, the campus gardener here at Gardener Supply. For more than 30 years, we've been helping gardeners grow healthier, more productive gardens. Spring weather can be a challenge for heat-loving plants. Cool temperatures, frosty nights, and chilly winds can slow down growth, damage tender shoots, and even kill the plants. Our innovative row shelter Accelerator acts like a mini greenhouse, creating a warm, protected environment for your prized plants. It's sized to fit over several plants, such as a row of basil seedlings. You can set your transplants out weeks earlier when they're protected by our accelerators. And you'll be amazed at how much faster your plants will grow. In our test gardens, plants grew 25% faster compared to plants without an accelerator, and faster growth means an earlier harvest. The accelerator sets up in seconds. Just zip up the sides to assemble it and place it over your new transplants. Loops at the base of the accelerator let you anchor it to the ground with earth staples. The accelerator is made from a durable, reinforced greenhouse fabric. The mesh top allows warm air to escape, preventing overheating, and it also lets water in. Once hot, sunny summer weather arrives, you can remove the accelerator and flatten it for compact storage. Get a head start on the growing season with our innovative accelerator. Your plants will grow faster, and you'll get an earlier harvest.